Today I learned a bit more about Python, and it's very interesting to see just how often it's used dictionaries. And I think, well, it makes sense because dictionaries are extremely good at storing information, since you can just have a little tag per se, a tag of something, for example, a username, and it will store every information you want. So basically, you have a tag and you don't when you with the tag you can just conjure the information inside the tag. For example, I have a dictionary called users, and then I have a tag called a Teteus Bionic, which is one of the users, and inside the tag there is information like, for example, username, login information, password, email, etc. And well, you just need to type Teteus Bionic to access it. And well, with the I did a little code with a little bit more about the well, about those dictionaries, and here it is. Basically, this one, it asks for my name, it asks for my level, eh, and then it will assign these two informations to my email. And if I put the second one to assign both information to, well, another username. So for example, here, let's go through. Basically, for a resume, basically my code does, I have these two users, a which are here. Where can I show you to you? I have two things inside a dictionary. This is tesbionic@gmail.com and not fake email 123.com.br. And inside here, what I'm basically doing is my first my first questioning. For example, let's put a ASD and 123. It will assign these two informations to the, well, second email, and here it will assign me the, well, the other email. Actually, no, sorry. Here it is, although I don't know why it told me not. Yeah, sorry, because I should have, it would be much better had a, space here. But basically here I am filling information to this Bionic. Here it's asking me to type the name, type the level, which I do, and those two informations are assigned to, well, those two informations are assigned here to the dictionary, the exactly the tag to this Bionic, and here it's assigning the name and a level, another one, for the second tag, which is like email. And it just prints out. Here is just a printing out of everything, and boom, it ends. So let's run down. First, in the first code, I actually create the dictionary, which is users or usuarios, and here inside I create another dictionary. But I'm not just creating the dictionary, I'm pretty much setting what is inside it. So again, my tags are Teteus Bionic and not fake email. And then just I don't know exactly to place, but I know here it's a variable, but something needs to. So let's see. List enumerate email. So basically, for what I understand, it's creating a list and basically putting numbers or well numerating my tags inside my dictionary. Here it will just print this information before anything, and if I remember correctly, here that's the information. So it's just So it's just, well, here it's just showing me the numbered part. So tetesbionic@gmail is equal 0 and not fake email is equal 1. And if I had a third one, we would 2 and so on and so on. And okay, so it's printing me, and so there got to a loop for shav in range, which is key. So key in range 0 and tuple. I'm not sure about len is, but I'm sure tuple here it is this. It will print a email, and then it will print the information for key 1 or the second key, and then it uses tuple chave equal input name. Basically it's telling me that, well, there's the input where he filled the key. So here is just setting that users tuple chave, and here it makes or that information will equal to the input of name and the input of level. None are specifically int. And then for key data, and dado here is just data in users.items, it will print the information for key 0 and 1 and data 0 and 1. And basically that's how the code runs. So what I'm doing here is basically I am putting information inside my, well, I put information inside my dictionary. Last time I learned how to create new dictionaries automatically. Here I'm learning how to put information inside the dictionary, which is extremely important because there is no use for having a dictionary if I don't fill out the information. And the good thing about it is that for what I know, you can just add more and more and more stuff. For example, if you have a code and let's say you have an old database, so unless you want to manually refill all the variables, you can just do this, well, let's say not permanently, and add, for example, your database doesn't have, for example, the date of birth of the person, so you just add the date of birth of the person. So extremely useful, must say. And well, I thought it was really neat to do it. So, well, that's pretty much it for Python for today. Hope you like it, and if you do, please like, subscribe. This helps a ton. And not just that, but if you like Python in general, stick around the videos because I have a lot of videos to still talk about Python and to do with Python, especially when I go to more technical projects. So, well, I hope you like it, and well, that's pretty much it. Watch my other videos and see you tomorrow. Goodbye! Woo!